Happy mail from Vitaly! Today we're unboxing something from Vitaly, which is one of the most recognizable brand names in industrial-inspired jewelry. If you're unfamiliar with the brand, Vitaly was founded in Toronto by Shane Vitaly Ferran and has built a reputation mostly around architectural futuristic jewelry that's made from recycled stainless steel. Their designs often blur the lines between art, jewelry, sculpture, madness. You get the vibe. But what really attracted me to Vitaly in the first place is that their pieces don't feel traditionally masculine or feminine. They exist somewhere in that beautiful space between industrial hardware and high fashion. This might be one of their more dramatic pieces. Cool box. So I've been waiting since March for this. This is the Paralyze in black steel. This is a statement piece. It's not a delicate chain. The design combines these beautiful sharp spikes with a surprisingly organic curve. And it's described as having both hard and soft elements, and I could definitely see that. The spikes almost resemble maybe feathers or vertebra or claws, depending on the angle. And the necklace has this Glyph buckle clasp, which adds that futuristic engineered aesthetic. It's the kind of piece that makes the necklace feel intentional from every single angle, because the clasp is cool enough that you could wear it in the front if you wanted to, or in the back, as I would. And something about stainless steel you should know is it's hypoallergenic, it's waterproof, and it's not going to tarnish. But like many fashion-plated pieces, Vitaly does back most of their pieces with a lifetime warranty. What I love most is that the necklace feels kind of aggressive, almost like wearable armor, not necessarily medieval armor, more post-apocalyptic vampire armor. And the silhouette is an immediate focal point of any outfit. So 3 ways I could style this. I think the first would be a high neck black lace Victorian dress, but let the necklace sit over the fabric so it becomes the centerpiece, so that you have that juxtaposition between the soft lace and the hard spike design. Look 2 would be a simple fitted black turtleneck with sleek hair, minimal outfit, maximum necklace impact. Look 3, as you see it on me, layered with other silver chains over a top. You could go a soft gothic dress, mix your romantic textures with your industrial hardware aesthetic. So overall, I love the Paralyze. I do have it in silver. This is in black. I can see why it's one of their standout statement pieces. It's bold, it's sculptural, it's unapologetically dramatic. Who doesn't love a little drama, especially before coffee in the morning? And that's exactly how I like my jewelry. What do you think, girly pops? Would you wear it? Let me know in the comments. Ciao, guys.